In today's video, folks, I'm going to show you how to earn money online in passive income by promoting CPA marketing offers. And, guess what? I'll guide you through this as if you're a complete beginner. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This is Side Hustle Success, where I create videos on various ways to make money online. Trust me, they're not just informative, they're actually interesting. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote CPA marketing offers specifically to the United States demographic. With that said, let's cut to the chase and dive into this strategy. First things first, head over to a platform called CPAgrip.com. Once there, you can create an account by clicking on Register. You'll be brought to a page where you need to fill out a form, agree to the terms of service by checking a box, and then simply register. Once logged in, navigate to the Offer Tools option and click on My Offers. You'll be taken to a page similar to this one. Here's where it gets interesting. You can filter your offers to target any demographic of your choice. As you can see, I'm currently focused on the United States demographic, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can explore other demographics or select offers available to all countries. However, for this tutorial, we're sticking with the United States because the traffic platform we'll be using gets most of its traffic from there. Keep that in mind. When selecting a CPA marketing offer to promote, you want to focus on two key factors. First, your offer needs to solve a problem. Offers that solve problems are like gold mines. A good example would be sweepstake offers. As I scroll through these offers, you'll notice that most of them are mobile install offers. Take this one, for instance. It's an offer for people to install and play the Brain Test 2 app. This app helps users test their brain capacity. To complete the offer, users in the United States who have Android devices need to install the app and reach level 20. Each completed install earns me about 64 cents. Not too shabby, right? To promote this offer, simply copy the unique affiliate link. Next, head over to Google Sites and create a landing page. On Google Sites, click on the blank option to start. The URL is site.google.com. Once you're on the page, hover over the sections you don't need and delete them. Add a simple text box and type something catchy, like, "Want to test your IQ?" Try this out. Make the text bold and increase the font size to around 24. Center the text for a polished look. Now, let's add a visual touch. Go to Google and search for brain test images. Find a cool image you like, such as this one, and save it to your device. Head back to Google Sites, click on the image icon, select Upload, and upload the image you just saved. So, folks, you can see the image has been uploaded. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger and center it nicely. At the bottom, you can add a simple text. Right here, it says, "It takes only 2 minutes." I'll make that bold and increase the font size to 18, then center it. Next, we need to add a button. For this button, I'll just put something like, "Click here." So, if I put in something like this, you can see it right now. I'll head back to the CPA marketing platform. Copy the link and paste it here. I'll click on Insert and it will be inserted. I'll drag and drop it into position. Now, for anyone who clicks on "Click here," it will automatically take them to the CPA marketing offer. Easy peasy. I've created a simple landing page. Now, just publish it and select a cool web address. I've chosen the Brain Tester. It's available, so I'll click on Publish. Copy the link and start promoting it. If I open a new tab and paste the link, you'll see how cool the landing page looks. For a more attractive image, use something better than my tutorial example. Now, head over to qrcodegenerator.com to convert the link into a QR code. Paste the link, and it converts instantly. Select a frame and download the QR code. Next, go to canva.com. Click on the Custom Size option, set the dimensions to 1000 by 1000, and create a new design. Once it loads, browse the template section until you find something cool. For instance, I'll try this template that says, "Attention." Edit the text to suit your needs. Mine says, "Want to know your mental capability?" Scan the code to take a simple brain test. Upload the QR code you downloaded earlier and insert it into the design. Position it just right. Voila! Your eye-catching design is ready to go. And as you can see, Everything is all set. What you want to do now is simply click on Share and download this. I'm just going to download it onto my device. Once it's downloaded, we're going to use a very cool platform to promote this, Tumblr. If you're not familiar with Tumblr, it's a social media platform that's like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest, but with a quirkier edge. This platform gets a lot of amazing traffic, about 184.6 million visits in the last 28 days. That's a huge amount of traffic. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that the United States is Tumblr's biggest fan, making up about 45% of the traffic. That's why we selected a United States offer in the first place. You'll also see that the United Kingdom contributes 5.71%, Canada 5%, Germany 3%, and Australia 2.6%. These are the top countries visiting Tumblr. So, you want to promote your United States offer using this strategy. Head over to Tumblr and search for cool and amazing groups. Maybe search for something relevant to your niche. I'm focusing on the brain test niche, so I might search for test. You'll see a lot of interesting posts, like, have you ever cheated on a test? With cool and amazing responses. Find a popular post with lots of engagement, like one with 2,591 notes, which are similar to likes on other social media platforms. Click on it to see all the comments and likes. Next, reply to the comments with the image you downloaded from Canva. Click on the image icon, upload your image, and send it. When they scan the code, they'll be taken to your landing page where they can click on Click Here. This will lead them to your CPA marketing offer. They complete the offer, and you make some cool cash while they get their brain test application to test their IQ or capacity. This is a very cool strategy to get traffic to your offers and make money online. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to check out my channel. I regularly create more videos on how to make money online. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.